Hello my friends from all over the planet. I hope you're all well and safe wherever you are, and here comes my new video I just created to tell you the story of Isis and Osiris. Before I start telling you the story, I need to thank every single person subscribed to my channel in the last couple of days. And special thanks to two sweet ladies. Without them, you wouldn't know or you wouldn't have any idea about my humble channel. Special thanks to Chloe and Olivia. Those two sweet ladies, my special friends from the States, from the United States of America. With their help and with their efforts and with their own concern, the channel is having over than 12,000 subscribers suddenly after it had 170. So thank you so much for what you have done, and even if I keep thanking you wouldn't be enough. I appreciate your efforts and your feelings. That's so sweet of you, and thanks for all your comments as well. Appreciating your comments and your support very much, and I will do my best to record and create more videos to you, to make it enjoyable for you, to reflect my humble knowledge to you in the near future, here and in the TikTok channel I made especially for you according to your requests. On the description you will find my TikTok channel, like the account name written right there, if you'd like to follow me right there as well. Special thanks also to a special lady to me from Ireland, Isabel. She is a great support to me since I know her in the past 5 years. She knows that very well, and she keeps supporting me and encouraging me to carry on for my videos and not to give it up, and I won't give it up. I need to tell that great people like you, which are scattered all over the world, make the person feeling very, very comfortable, feeling safe, as long as great people with special souls and pure souls like you are still there in a hard world we live our days. And sure, special thanks to all of you. And I just need to tell you something. If you please hit the like button in all the videos and in this video as well. It's a favor I'm asking you to do, because it is very important for the channel to grow and to be like on the run. So please don't forget to hit the like button in the videos you watched before and in this video as well. Isis and Osiris. It is such an amazing story. It's one of my favorite parts in the ancient Egyptian mythology and ancient Egyptian history. It's having different versions and also very complicated. I will try to make it as simple to you to get it, and you should know that there is such a great similarity between the story and what's existed also from stories in holy books and also in some other cultures. That's very well known when I start talking about the two brothers, the one who envied the other. But let me start from the very beginning to get familiar to it, or to not to confuse you. I already told in the last video that God Atum or God Ra was the creator of everything, and sky goddess Nut and Geb, earth god, married each other, and between them was God Shu. Nut and Geb, when they married each other, they had 4 kids, 2 sisters and 2 brothers. And when they grow up, God Ra, the mighty God with his commandments, the one who controls the universe, give commandments to Isis and Osiris to marry each other, and Nephthys, sorry for her, to marry Set, the bad boy. Osiris was the god of agriculture, and God Ra gave high commandments for Osiris to be the one teaching the Egyptians, or to teach the Egyptians how to cultivate the lands, how to grow the lands, how to agriculture the lands, as he was the god of agriculture and fertility. And even he gave his commandment to make God Osiris the ruler of Egypt, because everybody loved him. Everybody loved him because of what they did to the Egyptians. So he was the ruler, he was the king of Egypt. And he was the one, he was the chosen by Ra and by the Egyptians. And he married Isis, according to the legend. Isis was the goddess of love, magic and motherhood for the ancient Egyptians. And she was the one, she also taught the Egyptians how to cultivate the lands as well. She was one of the reasons of fertility for the Nile, because of the Nile silt. Nephthys was the sister. She assisted Isis in different situations you are going to know about right on time. Set was the god of chaos, the one of the arid desert, and nobody liked him at all, though he had his own followers, because the evil and the good are there from the very beginning of the universe anyway. That's known again in holy books. He envied his brother because everybody loved him. He envied his brother because he wanted to marry Isis as well. And also another version of the legend said that he hated even his brother because Osiris had an affair with Nephthys, and she became pregnant, and she had Anubis, the jackal-headed god, and he became the god of mummification after that, and that's why he wanted to get rid of him. Anyway, he was waiting for this moment to get rid of him. He had a plan to get rid of him and then taking over. And as he had a chance to do that, when Isis was not there, one day he invited his brother for a party he made in his honor. Brother, party time, let's have fun. Why not? I'm inviting you for a party on your honor, and you may come over and you will enjoy the party. It's on your honor. Osiris came with good intentions, as he didn't know what would be happening to him. The followers of Set were there, as most of the people being invited were the followers of Set. And in the middle of the party, Set announced to everybody, ladies and gents, well, Hello everybody, may I have your attention please? I have a gift for the one who will suit it, for the one who will fit it. The gift is a golden coffin, a golden sarcophagus, decorated with precious stones, and it was made the same size of Osiris. And the plan was there from the very beginning that some of his followers would try it, and they would say that it doesn't suit us, it's not ours. Then Set called Osiris, brother, go ahead, it might be yours. Try it. It's according to the ancient Egyptian mythology and according to the ancient Egyptian beliefs in resurrection and afterlife, a coffin and a sarcophagus was something very, very important. So Osiris went there, he lay down, and from the first moment he did that, they covered it with its lid and they sealed the sarcophagus. And when they did that, they threw it in the Nile. The Nile led it to the Mediterranean, and the Mediterranean led it to Lebanon. And he drowned. Isis was not there, as I told you before, but she heard what happened to her husband. She heard about what happened to her husband, and she was in rage and tears in the same time. Nephthys was with her, she calmed her down, but as she was the goddess of magic, with the help of god Ra as well, she read a magical spell and changed herself to be a vulture, and also changed Nephthys to be a vulture like her, and they kept flying and flying all the way to Lebanon. Why the vulture? Because according to the ancient Egyptian beliefs and according to what they used to observe around them, from the nature around them, the vulture can fly high, can fly far, and smell the dead bodies until she reached the Lebanese coast. And she kept looking for the sarcophagus of Osiris till she found it, being protected by a special tree, which became a holy tree after that in the ancient Egyptian beliefs, the ancient Egyptian mythology. When she found him, she had him out of the sarcophagus, and she kept crying with Nephthys, wailing on his body. And their tears brought his soul back to his body. What happened to him is what you're going to know in the next video, and that will be part 2. What happened to Osiris by Isis, how she saved his life, what happened to Set after that will be in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. See you in the story of Isis and Osiris part 2, with love, peace and happiness. Bye bye.